Okay, so we're just past De La Salle Catholic College, heading towards the Bankstown TAFE / Bankstown Hospital redevelopment. Yesterday, these boards were white. You can see the spray machine right there on my right. Today they're black. So it looks like they're starting to paint all these black all the way down. This bit right here at the top of the TAFE Bankstown, the wooden section, is actually all painted black.
Front section of it.
The construction workers, or whatever you want to call them, we're just talking about it's been a nice day, so let's just go and spray all of it now. So all these wooden fence pillars were going to be painted black. So I'm heading to the doctor's now to have some sort of little minor surgery on my left bum. So hopefully by the time I've finished, all these fences should be painted black on the way back. Part of me feels there's like a AC/DC meme there somewhere. Unfortunately, I can't post that to YouTube because it's been copyrighted. They're blocked by videos if I keep using AC/DC, which actually does make it a little bit weird because on the new YouTube app where you can make your shorts, it does have music available, and AC/DC has one song there. So this sign is here on my right. I'm not quite sure if they're going to be removing that and putting wooden boards, but I assume they probably will be. So it should be about maybe a couple of hours, 2-3 hours. By the time it'll be about lunchtime when I come out of the doctor's. Hopefully all this is painted black. Highland security will be patrolling this area. I'm actually quite surprised there's no graffiti on these walls yet already. As usual, thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for more updates. I would really appreciate you if you give me a subscribe.